Hi guys, Fonzie here from GT Performance. Today I want to show you something we've shown you before, but it's our double step GT Performance Ford header. Now this thing really comes to light on our late model Mustang. It's the FN variant, it's a Gen 3 Coyote. Also works well on the Gen 2, but it really shines on the Gen 3. So what we're going to do is give it a run and show you, this one's got a different air intake, it's got a JLT, which we've actually had some really good results with recently as well. But we want to show you what the right combination of air intake, custom tune, headers, cats can actually do. And as I said, it's a huge difference. They're our double step, so basically it's a smaller primary step to a bigger one, and what that has is a good scavenging effect and velocity in the arm with the flow bench or no dynamics of airflow. Basically also the reversion coming back with the pulses. So it's a really good design. Race cars have used it for many years. So basically we've made it available at a very affordable price compared to the American variants. We believe it's the best header on the market. We believe it makes the most power as well. So what I'll do is give it a run on the dyno, but before we give it a run on the dyno, what we'll do show you is why it makes so much power. This is the standard Ford header. If you have a look at this is the back cylinder. It's not even an inch, and this one might be a couple inch. So you're going to see huge differences when you fit GT Performance headers. They are available, they are in stock, they are a really reasonable price. Available for workshops if you want to fit them, just a normal customer if they want to buy them and tune them elsewhere, or we can help you with custom tunes as well. So we'll give it a run on the dyno and see how it goes and show you a before and after result on another car we've done previously. And if you got one of these, you need to get a set of these. I'll show you why. We'll roll the dyno and we'll let the numbers do the talking. Okay guys, what I'll show you is an incredible 372 rear wheel kilowatts. That's basically 500 horsepower. So what I'm going to do is actually going to show you that it backs up. I'll give it another run, but before we give it another run, I'll just show you basically. Okay, so here's our data. The blue one is a healthy one on 98, around about the 290 rear wheel kilowatts. You can see with the double step we don't lose anything, and the air intake we don't lose anything anywhere. We've gained even torque down here, 563 versus 497, and then you get through to the mid-range here, you follow my red arrow, substantial there, you know, you're some nearly 80 Newton meters as well of an increase. So, you know, it's not just all top end, you've got a massive increase of torque right through the middle spectrum. But when you do get up to the top end, you're going to feel this rush, and you're going to feel that there. And you know, this thing's coming up to around about 7,300 right over in this area. We have different rev limiters for different parts, but we find that this motor keeps making good power to 73 to 7,400. So what I'll do to back it up as well, I'll chuck the fans on, we'll give it another run as well, just to show you that the data is correct and it gets the job done. But you can see the reason why is these headers, that air intake, custom tune, massive, massive gains. If you've got one of these, you need one of these. So I'll jump on the dyno and we'll see what we can run up to back it up. It's backed it straight up. We have cracked the 500 mark. Obviously between talking, having the fans on and off, it's a little bit different. As you can see, repeatable, back-to-back runs. We were letting it heat soak without any fans because I was talking about the headers. So guys, it's there, it's available. Plenty of guys can do that as well. And the main reason is this little exhaust pipe. So do yourself a favour. Get a set of these, go to the front of the pack, and you'll certainly overtake any Holden's HSVs out there with your little 5 litre Mustang. So get on board, GT Performance. Thanks guys.